Welcome to English Talk Nova. You're not alone on this journey. We're always here with you.
Hey, you're doing amazing. Every step counts, and we're right beside you. Keep shining, keep learning. Let's make this journey fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you here today.
Hi friends, I'm Taylor. How's everyone doing today?
We hope you're feeling cozy with a nice cup of tea or coffee in hand.
Absolutely. And today we're diving into something we all love, going to a restaurant.
That's right. Eating out is fun, but sometimes it can feel a little tricky if you're learning English.
You might worry about ordering the right way, asking questions, or sounding polite.
But don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll be ready to walk into any restaurant confidently and enjoy your meal.
And here's a little secret. We're going to share phrases that native speakers use all the time. You won't just survive, you'll sound natural.
So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's jump right in.
And hey, before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of our lessons.
That's right. Follow us on your favorite platform. We love having you on this journey with us.
Okay, friends, ready to master ordering at a restaurant? Let's go. Okay, friends, let's start with ordering food.
Yes, and the most useful phrase is, I would like.
Or the shorter, natural version, I'd like. It sounds polite and very friendly.
For instance, you can say, I'd like the chicken salad, please. Perfect.
And if you want a drink or a side dish, just say, can I have?
Or, an even softer, more polite option, could I get?
After you order everything and you're finished, just say, that's all, thank you. That lets the waiter know you're done.
Great. Now, sometimes the waiter speaks very fast or you don't hear clearly.
That's normal. Just say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or, I didn't catch that.
You can also ask about the food itself. Is it spicy or does it come with bread?
And if you're not sure what to choose, ask the waiter, can you recommend something? They know the food best.
Or, if you need to make a small change to your dish, say, can I get one without, for example, without cheese or without tomatoes?
Now, let's talk about paying the bill.
The key phrase is, I'd like to pay, please. Simple and very polite.
Then ask, do you take card or cash? It's important because not every place accepts cards.
After paying, you can ask, can I get the receipt, please? Very useful if you want proof of payment.
And finally, end politely. That's all, thank you. Thank you for your help.
And the waiter will say, have a nice day. You reply naturally, thanks, you too.
See, ordering, asking questions, and paying can be simple and friendly when you know the right phrases.
Exactly. And if you practice these phrases, you'll sound confident and natural at any restaurant.
Now, let's take a moment to review some useful words and phrases we used today.
First, order. This means to ask for food in a restaurant.
Next, bill. It's the paper that shows how much you need to pay.
And receipt. That's proof of payment. Very useful if you need to keep track.
Spicy means food that has a hot flavor. You can ask, is it spicy?
Recommend means to suggest something to eat. You can say, can you recommend something?
Now, let's look at some polite phrases we used. I'd like, can I have, could I get, that's all. These will help you sound natural and polite.
Let's add a few more words that will be very helpful in restaurants. Menu, the list of food and drinks. Appetizer, a small dish before the main meal. Dessert, a sweet dish at the end of the meal. Beverage, any drink, like water, juice, or soda. Special, a dish that is recommended or unique that day.
Now, a few extra polite phrases. Could I see the menu, please? May I have some water, please? I'd like this without...
Try using these words next time you go out. They will make your English sound natural and confident.
Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words, the easier it becomes to order, ask questions, and enjoy your meal.
Yes, don't rush yourself. Speak slowly and remember, being polite is just as important as ordering correctly. And that's the end of our restaurant practice, friends. Now you're ready to order confidently, ask questions naturally, and pay politely.
So, Jamie, what's your favorite meal to order at a restaurant?
I love seafood, any type really. And you, Taylor?
I usually go for pasta. It's my comfort food. Hey, listeners, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite meal to order?
And don't forget, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, confidence is key. Speak slowly, be polite, and trust yourself.
Absolutely. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. You've got this.
Follow us on your favorite platform and join our community of learners. We love reading your comments and seeing your progress.
So, until next time, keep enjoying your English and keep enjoying your meals.
Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day and happy learning.
Goodbye, friends. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and stay confident.